So there is almost no way you're doing marketing in 2023 without questioning yourself or your business about artificial intelligence. So let's talk AI and how you can use it in your business, how it can be beneficial. First of all, I want to start by saying that most of the platform of AI right now are free. And if they are free, you have to question yourself. It's because actually you are the products. That's the thing. It's the same for social media. We are the product of social media. They use us, they use the way we interact, they use our information to improve their platforms. And it's exactly how AI works. Actually, there is some AI into the platforms that we're using. A lot of people think that this is a new concept, this is something that is very new, this is the future, but it have been around for a long time. And if you are on Instagram or YouTube or TikTok or any other social media platform, those platform uses algorithms, and those algorithms are AI. They are artificial intelligence that works to kind of improve your experience into a platform. Or I don't know if the goal is really to improve your experience or to kind of manipulate the things that you're seeing, the communication and information that comes to you into your feed or into, your account. So this is the first thing that I want you to understand is that whenever platform you're using that is free is not really free. It's because you are the product. And this is exactly what AI is about. This is exactly how it has been built. For years and years and years, they have been collecting all of information on the internet. They have been actually listening to us through our devices to kind of improve those machines that are now able to push to us super good information. Now, are those information accurate? This is a question that I'm gonna answer, but I also want you to know that AI doesn't need to be your enemy. It can actually be an ally for your business, specifically for entrepreneurs who have a small business structure or solopreneurs. So there is a big debate around AI. Is this a good thing? Is this a bad thing? I think that first of all, we need to understand that AI is a tool. It's something that you can utilize within your life or within your business. And as many tools like social media, it really depends on what you're doing with it. My personal point of view on AI is that yes, there is a part of it that scares me. I'm like, oh ish, like it's capable of doing that, but I prefer to see artificial intelligence as a support to my business versus as competition because it might come from my job or because it's becoming too much intelligence, which is the purpose of artificial intelligence. So AI is kind of coming for the neck of a lot of people out there. So the creative entrepreneurs like the illustrators, the painters, like the copywriters, the content creators, all of those people are kind of, touched and maybe should look at what, is happening into the artificial intelligence world because you just never know. If we have to think about it, 20 years ago, there were jobs that existed that no longer exist today because of internet. And this is exactly what AI will do in few years, maybe 10 years or 15 years from now. There are certain jobs that we actually know right now that will no longer exist or no longer exist in the form that we know them right now. Reality is, whether you like it or not, it is becoming more and more popular. More and more people are using it. And this is my thing about AI. I think it can be very helpful for your business on many levels. It can help you with your marketing, specifically when you're a solopreneur, when you have a small structure, when you don't have a lot of budget. And I think this is what AI is going to be, a tool for people who don't have a lot of budget. It can be super helpful with actually productivity, coming up with idea, helping you to be more organized. This is something that is super great for certain businesses. Here's my thing with AI. My point of view is always seek for the opportunity. I mean, AI is there and is not going to go. People are still working on it, still pushing artificial intelligence to be even more intelligent. So the thing is that whether you like it or not, the world will grow and go to the future with or without you. So I prefer to stay informed because certain things that actually we don't know about or we don't know well about can be very helpful for us. So that's why I prefer to see it as a support and be like, where is the opportunity by using this tool for my business versus I don't want to talk about it, I don't want to see it, I don't like it, which I completely understand for certain people. It can be kind of sensitive to, know and learn that a machine can replace your job or that people dare to compare your expertise to what a machine is capable of doing. I completely understand that. Because of my business, I could have think the same, but my thing is that how can I utilize that tool to help my client when I work into my client's project and to help myself within my business? So here are all of the AI tools that you can use that can be helpful for you to come up with marketing ideas, content ideas to produce more. It can help you with creating a blog, a website, even a brief and a newsletter. So my vision on AI is that it will still exist in few years. There will be, coming. It will not go anywhere, but I don't think that it will completely replace jobs. If you look at photography, for example, there is a lot of apps that started to come up in the mid 2000 to help people like retouch better their photos and have filters and stuff like that. But still today, you have thriving photographers and retouchers having businesses making six, seven figures, or a little bit less, but they're still successful. So that's why I think that AI will not completely replace any type of jobs, but some people will choose the option of AI versus going to maybe your services. Some people will prefer to pay for an AI software versus going to a copywriter, to an illustrator, to an artist, to somebody that can actually, do email marketing for them. So it is a tool, and that tool will still be available to certain people. But this is what another entrepreneur that is very smart told me. I don't know if it's gonna go that way, but this is a possibility. When I asked that person who is a UX UI designer, are you scared about AI coming for your job? What if tomorrow there is software completely able to do all of the process of UX and UI design, like designing softwares, designing website, understanding the client journey, have empathy? Like, what if like this software is capable of that? And that person told me, you know what? I didn't even like thought about it. I think that AI is a tool that some people will use, and I think that AI will be used by the cheap people, those who don't want to pay for a professional to have the job done in a certain way. They will turn to AI, which is not completely false. I really think that sometimes, some people will use it because it will be a cheaper option than to pay a professional, but some expert will still want to pay another expert to do the job. So that's why I don't think that anybody should be super scared about, losing their job or maybe having their industry not really be the same in few years. Just trying to follow and understand where AI will go. Now, the reality is that AI is very generic, and sometimes the information that it provides is not really accurate. So this is what ChatGPT have put on their website. Limitation: may occasionally generate incorrect information, may occasionally produce harmful instructions or biased content. Biased, guys. Limited knowledge of world and event after 2021. So see, AI still have like limitation. It's not perfect. It's not giving all of the answers. Do not just believe anything that, any AI software will put out there, because the information can still be wrong. AI uses our information, the thing that humans have put out there through the years into the internet. But what we have put out there might not be accurate. Maybe we're wrong about something that is historical that have happened. Maybe we're wrong about a certain belief. Maybe we're wrong about a lot of things that are, available online that AI is going to use to actually take it and throw it back to you when you ask him a question, but it doesn't mean that the information is accurate and right. So still be careful about doing your own little research before using any information, and be mindful of sprinkling your own spice, your own personality, your own brand into the content, specifically if you use AI for content creation, coming up with caption ideas, blog ideas, content on Instagram or YouTube ideas. It's wonderful, but make sure that you sparkle it with your own touch, because everybody will ask the same question. Let's say I want to create a video about crypto or about branding or sales funnel. All of the people in my industry will use the same tool and ask the same question to the machine, and the machine will answer the same answer to all of us. So if you just copy paste those information, then we will see that your content and what you come up with is not really authentic, and a lot of people will have the exact same. So we don't want to just look like the mass and do everything that everybody is doing. And yes, AI has also his limitation. AI cannot build a strategy for you. It cannot humanize your brand or your business for you. It cannot have creativity. So I'll still go to an artist or an illustrator if I need creativity. I'll still go to a copywriter because AI can come up with ideas and text, but it cannot come up with the best keywords that are ranked on Google for my SEO to rank my website and my blog better. So yes, it will maybe give me title ideas and a whole text that are pre-made, but it will not do that work that is way more strategic and professional that a human can do. Now, AI can be very interested when you try to kind of implement it to your sales funnel to be more productive. And that's where I think that there is an opportunity. If you have a small team or if you are a solopreneur, it will help you just save time. You can use one of those AI softwares to just come up with content ideas. Once again, sparkle your little twist into it, make your little research to make sure that the information is accurate. And into those content pieces, you will put a call to action to drive people to your emailing list or to your offer. So that will help you to produce content faster, be more efficient, and just after that, automate your sales funnel to bring people to your offer, to connect with them, to nurture them, and to convert them. That's how I think that AI can be helpful for your business and for your sales funnel. Even like into your sales funnel process, there is some tools that you might be using into your email marketing or scheduling, booking, system that actually already uses AI, but you might not know this. Canva uses AI, Google uses AI, Instagram, it's already all around us and already implemented into the tools that you might already use for your business. It's just that you can boost it in a way that it can support your business. That's how I think that AI can support your sales funnel. If you want to have more information about sales funnel, business automation, make sure to watch this video over here, subscribe to my channel, and please leave a thumbs up if this video has been helpful to you, to your business, and share it to a friend who might need it. I will see you on another video. Bye.